Gikundi kia thathauri ya utonga wa bururi ni kiragomanire mwena wa Naivasha kaunti ya Nakuru kwaririria mitaratara iria thirikari ingihuthira niguo guteithiriria kwambatira kwa utonga wa bururi. Akiaria hindi ya kigomano giki muikariri gite wa gikundi giki Danston Olwodi ni ugita bururi uri na mweke wa gukuria utonga waguo angikorwo muingi no uhuthirio garama ya muturire undu uria ningi ungiguciriria aigithia guku bururi-ini.
Have a key role to play in supporting the government efforts to steer Kenya towards sustainable, inclusive and resilient economic growth.
Olwodi ni ugite sekta itiganite ari hamwe na cia urimi, uthunduri na uthondeki wa indo itiganite ni ciandikithitie gukura na gikiro kiega undu uria uguteithiriria kugacirithia utonga wa bururi.
Inflation, though still a concern, has been brought under control. The reduction in inflation, though gradual, is helping to stabilize prices and restore the purchasing power of Kenyans.
Oho ni ongereire kuga unyitaniri wa thirikari honge itiganite undu umwe na sekta cia andu kiumbe ni guteithiriria kuhingura mieke mingi iria kurehe uthii wa na mbere bururi-ini na gukura kwa utonga waguo.
Infrastructure development and human capital investment has laid a solid foundation for future growth. Our economy faces complex challenges, but these challenges are also present opportunities for innovation and transformation.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, Jetagwo Gathoni, Wang'ang'a.